Okay, quick video here on adjustments to the ribbon take-up spindle. So what can happen in units that are older and worn is the clutch inside this spindle sometimes needs to be tightened down. Eventually the spindle can't last forever. It will need to be replaced. But what can happen is as the ribbon material is coming in, if this clutch is slipping too much, then the ribbon can stick to the label material and move with the label material or get bound up in this area here. But so the way to adjust the clutch inside the spindle, first of all, there's a preliminary step that you do with this hole. Okay, you move this and you get this so it drops in a little deeper, like so. Right there, it's not in all the way, so we just move this until it drops in. Now it's locking that inner, there's an inner shaft with this outer one, so we need to get that locked first. Now the other thing you got to do is you got to press this little button, and there's one on the opposing side to get this cap off. So we're gonna take this cap off, and this so as you can see here, it's a couple of little tabs that I had to press to get that cap off. And then over here, if you could come around to the side here, you'll see inside here, you can see as I move that inner shaft moves separately than this outer one. So you might need to adjust and turn, get some pliers on that and turn that nut, not a whole lot. You can try a quarter of a turn at a time, and that's going to tighten this clutch. Eventually that clutch will wear out, but that's how you tighten up the clutch so that it can pull and slip a little less easy. You want it to not you don't want the clutch slipping too easily, because then it won't be able to pull the ribbon material up. So anyway, that's it for just the ribbon take-up spindle clutch adjustment. Thank you.